Okay, here's the Maestro. It's been shut off and cooled off for about 15 minutes. It's fresh boot of both the Flex and the Maestro hardwired together on the factory supplied cable. This is working actually really good now. So fresh cold boot, lickety split through the VFO. Tracks really, even if I dial fast, it's just tracking really fast. Look at that. Dial moves very smoothly, the bar anyway, the slice. Kind of the way it should be. Boom. Yeah, it's like a 2-second lag, nothing bad. And then it's tracking nicely on both VFOs. Menu. Menu. That's working really quickly. Okay, kind of as it should be. Let's see what happens when it warms up.